Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how you can deploy bolt.new web application or the projects that you have made. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the bolt.new website, and from here, we are then going to say something or create a project like create a financial application. So I'll just go ahead and click on the presets right here to make things easier or to make things fast. Now, once you have your project created, you then want to simply navigate through the publish button. Now, this is where we are going to simply publish our application or project right here. And so from here, you have two ways to get this published. The first thing is by heading over to the publish button right here, and basically once inside, you then want to click on the publish button. Now, in some other cases, you will have this message where it says you do not have permission to publish. Now, if this is the case, the next thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the command text box right here, and inside you then want to type something like publish this project. Hit on enter, and from there it will then go ahead and start to publish this specific project right here. And if we navigate back to the publish button, we can then go ahead and see that right now the publish button is available. So in here, just wait for the process to finish and it will then go ahead and publish our application. So if I copy the link right here, we can then go ahead and see that we can access it, but unfortunately it's still publishing as of the moment, so I cannot access the web page. But there you have it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.